Welcome, Joe Angel.
Hey!
How you doing?
Fine.
Joe.
Go, we're gonna do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck.
All right, people. Hello. Where are you?
Honey!
Are you here?
Yeah!
I can't see you. I can't hear you. Are you here?
Yeah!
Do you want some Bob Marley?
Yeah!
Do you want some Three Little Birds?
Yeah!
Shall we do that together then?
Come!
Yeah. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey, I rise up this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Oh, melody pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey, I rose up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melody pure and true. They say, this is my message to you. Sing it up, boy, everybody, about a thing. I won't worry. I wanna hear you sing, worry about a thing. I won't worry. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey, I rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet song. Oh, melody pure and true. Oh, this is my message. I won't worry. Don't worry. Sing it, don't worry. About a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry. About a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Well, who wanna say a big thank you to us here at Shropshire Folk Festival? On lead guitar was a man called Kevin. Michael. Now, percussion was man called Antonio. Now, drumline, man called King Matthew. Now, from far left we have Evil vocals.
Yeah!
Then we have Queen Natalia in the middle here. Now, my name is Barrington. Now, our special guest was Natty Joe.